Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play It Takes Two online using a FitGirl Repack. To begin, make sure your game installation is fully complete and verified. You will then need to download and apply a specific online fix, often found with the Repack, to enable multiplayer. Remember to add an exception for the game's executable file in your firewall settings to prevent connection issues. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once your game is set up, you will use a virtual LAN tool, such as Radmin VPN or Hamachi, to simulate a local network connection with your friend. One player will host the game, and the other will join through the virtual LAN. It Takes Two also features a friend's pass, allowing a second player to download and play the game's full version for free, even with a repack, by connecting to the host. Should you face any connection difficulties, first re-examine your virtual LAN tool settings and ensure both players are correctly connected within it. It is also wise to verify the integrity of your game files, as corrupted data can prevent online play. Crucially, confirm that both you and your friend are running the exact same version of the game and have applied the identical online fix for seamless multiplayer. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable and reasonably fast internet connection, ideally with at least 10 megabits per second download speed. Using voice chat is highly recommended for clear communication and coordinating the game's many puzzles and challenges. Most importantly, embrace the fantastic cooperative gameplay that It Takes Two offers, working together to overcome obstacles and enjoy the adventure with your friend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.